Hello, my name is Ioni, and in this tutorial I will show you how to resize image and frame at the same time in InDesign. Now, let's begin.
Place an image in program and go to File, Place. I will choose this image and click and drag the image. Okay, if you don't see the image at the high quality, right click and display performance and click on this high quality display. Now when you add the image in program, the image is placed in a frame. So this is the frame. You can see this cursor, and if you click in the middle, you can see the cursor is changed in this hand. And now if you select the image, and you can move the image in shape, and let's undo Ctrl Command Z. Now if you want to resize the image, press Shift to resize proportionally and click on this corner. If you want to resize from the center, press Alt or Option, but let's say I want to resize from this corner, and you can see it resizes only the shape. The image is still here, so we can see, click on this center of the image, this hand, and this frame is the image. So undo Ctrl Command Z. Now select the image and press Ctrl or Command Shift, and now you can resize in the same time the image and the frame. If you press Ctrl or Command Shift and Alt or Option, you can resize from the center. Okay.
Now, this was the tutorial for how to resize image and frame at the same time in InDesign. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.